Hello, welcome to Oya Doctor. Today, Iamita 77. Excuse my language. Today we're doing a pick a card reading. Pick a card reading is about what spiritual tools you need right now. We got number 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna start with number 1. We got Gospel. We got Embrace. And remember, the pickup reading is what you need, what tools you need right now spiritually. We got Celebration. We got the Hermit. We got the High Priestess. And we have Believe and Trust. Your home is protected by angel. We have Shoulder with the Warrior. Miracle. What triggering you? So, what you need, what spiritual tools you need at the moment, number 1. First, you need to trust yourself, believe and trust in yourself. So don't worry about what people think about you. Okay? If you want to change religion, you can change. If you want to come change, if you was doing something for 5 years, 10 years, you don't want to do it anymore, you can change it. So they tell you, embrace yourself, the real you. Embrace the real you. Okay? Because the world needs you. The world needs you. For you to show the world the real you, you need to embrace yourself. For you to, what you need and what spiritual tools you need in the moment right now is yourself. Connect with yourself. Take off the mask. Okay? Show the world the real you. Embrace your new, the new transformation happen. Ready to evolve. Don't worry about gossip. A lot of people are going to talk about you because you're doing something good. And believe and trust yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you can trust in yourself. Before you go to sleep tonight, you can say, Archangel Michael, please enter my dream and replace fears with faith and trust. Let me be filled with strength, courage, and confidence. So when you do all these things, they say you need to expect a miracle. And you're going to be celebration. And they say you need to start all about your house, number 1, because your home is protected by angel. In hermit mode, you need to retreat and recharge. You need to connect with yourself. What you need, like I said, what you need, the spiritual tools you need right now at the moment. Right now, you need yourself. You need to embrace yourself, trust yourself, believe in yourself. Okay? Stop worrying about what people think, what people gonna think, people gonna judge you. Who cares? You need to recharge and you need to alignment with yourself. They say when you're feeling stress, depression, Alzheimer, you need to retreat and recharge. You need to connect with yourself. You need to meditate a lot. And they tell you to create, express yourself with creativity. So that was the reading number 1. So we're going to number 2 right now. Put number 1 here. Number 2. Hold on. 3:56. 3 minutes 56 seconds. Hi, welcome to Yamita 77. Today we're doing what you need. Pick a card reading. What you need, what tools you need, what spiritual tools what spiritual tools you need at the moment. So we got communication. The spirit said they're trying to connect with you. Okay, you need to connect to the spiritual world. You need to connect with yourself because they're trying to communicate with you. They can get in touch with you, and they only give you a soulmate. So they say what you need at the moment for your spiritual tools, you need your soulmate. They say a lot of door. They open a lot of door for you, and you're gonna give birth. Some of you gonna get go into a labor, or some of you gonna give birth to a new project or to your new self. Okay? And they tell you, Spirit say you can choose your path. You're free to choose your own path. You're free to choose your own path and make plan and focus. What you need at the moment, what spiritual tools you need at the moment? Number 2, self-respect. And you have a lot of healing energy. And you need a lot of healing energy at the moment. That will be help you a lot. And they say when you do all this stuff, number 2, you know how to connect with your spiritual God. You know how to communicate with your spiritual God. You know how to communicate with the other side. And you need your soulmate. For you to find your soulmate, you need to find yourself. And they say they open a lot of the open up right now for you. And they say you can choose your path. You can choose your path. You can choose anything you want to do. It doesn't matter. And they say healing energy going to help you a lot at the moment. And they tell you when you make the plan, focus on your plan. And then they tell you you're going to give birth to your new self, new project, new condition. And they tell you when you do all these things, but you need to respect yourself. Self-respect is the first tools, spiritual tools you need right now. First tools you need right now is self-respect and communication. And then choose your path. Because a lot of doors gonna open for you. And release your power. Number 2, you need to release your power. Because let that transformation go through. You need to release your power. Because things are changing our cellular level, deep healing. Like I said, you're going through a deep healing process, transformation right now. Number 2. So that was your reading. That's all you need for. That's all spiritual tools you need at the moment. So we're going to do number 3. Let me fix this. No. Oh man, no cry. That's my son, guys. This boy. Okay, so number 3 is gonna be 7:14. So I can put it in the description below. You guys don't have to fight. Hi, welcome to our Iyamita 77. Number 3. We send you love, prosperity, abundance, all the good thing. What spiritual today we're doing a pick a card reading. What spiritual tools you need at the moment? First, we got union. Second, we got sacred union. And we got transference. And we got be the light. We got take time to reflect. Pay attention to your dream. Let go of fears now. And we got it's time to release negativity. And a temple offer has a higher price. And we are send send the light, lay foundation, divine plan. So what you need at the moment, number 3, you need to get a union with your spiritual God, your ancestors, your elder. And you need to get sacred union with yourself, your higher self. For you to connect with your higher self, you need to go to your deep meditation. And they tell you to pay attention to your dream because your ancestors trying to communicate with you in your dream. So your dream is a deja vu. Write your dream down. Pay attention to your dream. And they tell you to let go and fears right now at the moment. Because you have so much fears, you don't have time to reflect. So you need to let go and fears so you can have time to reflect. So you need to know what you need to heal and balance. And be the light. You have to build the light you can't be a follower. You're not a follower. Number 3, you're not a follower. You need to build the light. And it's time to release negativity right now at the moment. Anything you're going through right now, number 3, it's time to release negativity. And then